It is now.
It is now. Recording. Start date 2/01/1/12/27 or 8? 2/8. What's the time? You got a phone, don't you?
I can't see. It's 3:32.
That's 15:32 hours. Preparing to launch. What'd your mom call it? What'd your mom call this rocket? Ride the tide.
Ride the tide is about to launch. Oh my god, Em, seriously? Got the camera. I don't think it works. No!
Didn't you test it before you went up?
Yeah, I made the light go on. I remember how.
Did you hook it? Is it shorted to the plate?
What do you mean?
Like, is one of the electrodes touching the metal plate?
Yeah.
It's shorted. Maybe.
That sucks.
Hey, it'd be pretty wise to just like... Oh, Lordy. Don't put your head over the missile.
Not launching.
Those... They're not supposed to touch each other.
Only an idiot.
Jessica, light that candle.
Alright. Come on, Em.
You get a countdown, or the light should be on, right?
Yeah, but it goes off when I push launch.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, separation! Separation!